Okay, now moving to the next question, that is question number 21. Three position of a dice are shown. When 3 is at the bottom, which number will be at the top? So we have to tell that when 3 will be at the bottom, so what will be its opposite? We have to tell. Okay, what will be at its top? So for finding that, just we have to check this dice is the which kind of dice is that. So this 6 plus 1 are adjacent. So 6 plus 1 7 are the sum of two adjacent faces are 7. Then these are general dice. So we can apply the rule which I told you, that take the common faces. This is 6, this is 6. You can take the common face of any two dices, okay, from that. Then after taking that, just write it down, okay, 6 like this one, that I take this one and this one, and I have wrote 6. Now taking clockwise rotation, and 6, after that we have 4, then 4 2 1. Similarly in that we have 6, after that we have 3, 6 then 3 then 5. So clearly this 4 and 3 are opposite to each other. So correct answer for the question is, when 3 will be at the bottom, then at the top we will be having 4. Option A will be the correct answer. Now choose the box. Question number 22 is that choose the box that is similar to the box form from the given sheet X of paper. So this is the sheet given. When we will fold it, okay, it will form a box. So we have to find that will be which will be the box of the sheet. So here let I make the opposite ones so that it will be easy to find. This triangle face will be opposite to the star one. Okay, this triangle and this star are opposite. This pentagon and this square are opposite. Pentagon and square are opposite. Similarly, this dollar and the circle are opposite. Now check. Since these are opposite faces, so it cannot come adjacent. Since these are opposite faces, this cannot become the adjacent. Here you can check in the figure 1, this star and triangle are coming adjacent. So this cannot be the possible box. Now after that, star, circle and square. Star, circle and square. Yes, these are all adjacent because we have star opposite to star triangle. There is no triangle to star. Similarly, opposite to circle we have dollar. We don't have dollar here. And opposite to the square we have pentagon, and we also don't have any pentagon here. So second figure can be the answer. Now check third one, star, circle and square. The same thing, the same kind of position is there. It can also be followed. Now this dollar, from the fourth one, dollar and circle are opposite, but here in that it is shown adjacent, so it cannot also be followed. So the second one and the third one will be followed. So we can have the correct option as only 2 and 3. Option B is the correct answer. Now moving further to question number 24. We have to find out the opposite face of 5. Same thing, what we have to do? We have to take the common face, that is 3 here. 3, then move clockwise 1 by 1. 3 then 1, then 1. After 1 we have 5. Same thing, 3 then 6, 3 will be written as it is, then 6, then 4. So from here this 4 and 5 are opposite. So opposite of 5 will be 4. Option number C will be the correct answer. So the last question from this exercise will be this, question number 29. The question is, the given figure shows the net of a cube. Which of the following alphabet does not lie on the opposite faces if the net is folded to form the cube? So we have to tell which of the following 4 options will not be able to form, okay, when they will be folded. So just we have to find the opposite ones, okay. So A and E are opposite, this will form, this can form, okay. Then F and D are opposites, F and D are opposite, this can also form, okay, they will be lie on the opposite faces. C and D are not opposite, they are adjacent, so these are not opposite one. Next is C and B. C and B are opposite ones, okay. So the correct option for this question will be option C, okay. So that's all the concept of the cube and dices. We have covered almost all type of question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the